Right, we have got in front of us this brand new mid-blue new Transporter, and you might have seen this kicking around on some of the reels that have been posted out there recently, but we thought we'd just jump on and do a little bit of a talk round because it's quite an interesting colour. It's got obviously our brand new LVS front end paired with the rest of the LVRF body kit as well, and we've got our brand new wide arch trim kit on there, along with the door protection, the side skirts, the rear bumper and the rear spoiler. And also paired with that, we've got our LVT2s in the matte black as well, which I think works really well with the satin matte finish of all the bits of trim and body kit. But what a colour, eh? This mid-blue. Something bright for a change rather than grey, black and white. And moving on the inside, this one has actually had one of the Snooks Essential kits fitted. So this was a panel van with single front seats. It's now been turned into a combi, so we've fitted the windows, we've fitted the Snooks kit in the rear. Along with the Snooks kit comes the bulkhead, and that then turns a panel van into a very factory looking combi, which it's an absolutely great bit of kit. Isofix, crash tested, pull tested, type approved, everything done properly, which we love. But this van is actually available on our rental fleet, and we haven't found a home for it yet, I believe. So if you like this colour, you like the new Transporter and you like our body kit, this one is pretty much ready to go, along with a load of others through either rental or sales. Or, as you all know, if you've got one of these yourself and you want it to look like that, bring it us, let's stick it through the workshop and get it looking something like that.